With your CIGTV News Update, I'm Donna Bush. Glad you could join us this Friday evening. A press release tells us that the Department of Immigration continues to work proactively to address delays in its Freedom of Information process. The Ministry of Human Resources and Immigration has actioned a plan to mitigate the situation by assigning 2 additional staff members from the ministry to the FOI team, who have extensive knowledge of the protocols and processes. The delays have been mainly due to recent staff shortages caused by illness, early retirement of key personnel, as well as the duration of training necessary to onboard the new FOI manager and records officers. Acting Chief Immigration Officer Mr. Bruce Smith said historically the Department of Immigration receives the largest number of FOI requests, and that the complexity in the terms of the amount of resources necessary to complete the requests continues to increase. Department and ministry officials apologize for the delays, but say they are actively working to complete requests to ensure openness, transparency, and accountability under the law. Well, persons who have yet to register their charitable organizations under the nonprofit organization law can receive help with their application forms ahead of the 31st of July registration deadline. General Registry is hosting 2-hour registration workshops every Tuesday and Thursday from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. at its offices here on the ground floor of the Government Administration Building. The workshops, which are on appointment basis only, started this week and are expected to last until Thursday, June 28th. The workshops will allow NPOs that have not yet registered to learn about their legal requirements and receive face-to-face assistance with completing their registrations. To book a date and time for the workshop, you can email paul.innis, that's INNISS, at gov.ky or CIGENREG@gov.ky. In other news, this Friday, the Civil Service Association is reminding everyone of the My HSA Online patient portal that is available for patients of the hospital. The portal will make it easier for patients to access their secured health information online and for free. Other services through the My HSA system includes making your own appointments and viewing lab results. Now, the online portal of information is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Answers to your questions can go online to hsa.ky. Well, the Health Services Authority is also enhancing its cancer care services with the recruitment of a full-time medical oncologist. A press release points out that when a person receives a cancer diagnosis, it's important that the oncology services needed by the individual are easily accessible and close to home. Dr. Basil Armonis, who is originally from Athens, Greece, has joined the HSA oncology team as they work towards the enhancement of medical oncology at the authority, as well as across the Cayman Islands. Meantime, HSA Medical Director Dr. Delroy Jefferson says having Dr. Armonis, who has a wealth of knowledge and experience in oncology, helps us to achieve this if it is what people in our community diagnosed with cancer need and deserve from their primary provider of healthcare services. It is a pleasure to be a part of the HSA team and to be able to help patients in the Cayman Islands receive the care they need and deserve close to home. Reducing the travel time for a patient exposes them to less physical as well as less psychological distress, allows them more time to focus on health and also spending quality time with family and friends during doing the things that they enjoy, said Dr. Armonis. Now, to make an appointment with Dr. Armonis, you can contact the chemotherapy unit on 244-2872. That's 244-2872. Well, for a look at our weekly schedule of shows here on CIG Television, you can go online to gis.gov.ky and click on the publications page at the bottom of the open page. If you missed today's news update, you can go to the Cayman Islands Government Facebook page as well as the CIG Television YouTube channel. With your CIG Television news update this Friday, I'm Donna Bush, as always, thanking you for joining us, wishing you a wonderful and, of course, a very safe weekend, and hoping you'll join me back here again on Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.